Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to select the last row by using the Excel VBA. So this video is very helpful when you are importing data from another source. First you have to find out the last row, then you can paste the data which you are copied from the another sheet. So in this video I will show you the two methods to select the last row. Okay, so for this you have to click on the developer tab and then open Visual Basic Editor. So first write down range, then A1 dot end Excel down dot. To run this code, it will select row number 11. See how it will works. See, it is select row number 11, the last row. So this is the range property. You can also use the sales property. Then column, so it will down 100 rows, then it will select the first column and then it is select the row number 11. You can also write down code like this: range column A and rows dot count dot end Excel up dot select. So the cursor will be here after running the code. See, so rows.count is basically give you output the total number of rows is present in the sheet. Then it will first go to the 65,536 rows, then it will up and it will select the last row. So these are the process, or these are the steps to find out the last row. I believe that this video will help you. And if you want to learn Excel from me, you can write down in the comment section, or you can directly write me an email. The email ID will be provided in the description area. And if you are new into my channel, if you have not subscribed yet, I would request you to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.